IT monitoring has become a compulsory service in fast-moving IT industry. There are many IT monitoring services out there, but why WhaTap? First, WhaTap supports various platforms including Kubernetes, application, server, database. Are you monitoring logs and cloud separately? You can monitor all at once with WhaTap. Second, WhaTap is easy to install and use. There is no need to build a separate server for data collection, but instead install the WhaTap agent. WhaTap professional consultants will guide you through various support channels. Third, WhaTap enables efficient service operation. Real-time monitoring and deliberately customized alerts enable quick identification of the root cause. You no longer need a professional operating team to maintain an efficient IT service operation. Fourth, WhaTap is an integrated monitoring solution. Regardless of region and platform, monitor all in a dashboard. Fifth, WhaTap leads the market. We present a pioneering plan for monitoring with the help of accumulated data and technology. Enjoy quick update and novel features. How is this all possible? Because it is the era of SaaS and the era of SaaS IT monitoring. Monitor now with WhaTap as a service.